What are the steps to apply for South African citizenship if born in Namibia before March 1990 for individuals born in Namibia before March 21, 1990, who are seeking to acquire or maintain South African citizenship? The process can be complex due to the historical context of Namibia's independence. Here are the key points and steps to consider. Loss of citizenship as of March 21, 1990. South African citizens who had ordinary residence in Namibia ceased to be South African citizens, unless they were born in South Africa or had a natural parent or grandparent born in South Africa. 5. Exemptions. If you were exempted by the Minister of Home Affairs from losing your South African citizenship, you would not have ceased to be a South African citizen. However, this exemption would need to have been granted specifically. 5. Applying for citizenship by descent. If you were born in Namibia before March 21, 1990, and one of your parents was a South African citizen at the time of your birth, you may be eligible for South African citizenship by descent. Here are the steps. Eligibility. You must have a parent who was a South African citizen at the time of your birth. 1, 2, 3. Required documents: completed application form, an unabridged birth certificate, original and valid passports of the applicant and their parents' South African parents' original birth certificate, identity document, or passport, marriage certificate of parents. If applicable, proof of payment of the application fee. 1, 2, 3. Application process. 1. Collect documents. Gather all the required documents. 2. Complete the application form. Fill out the BI-24 form and attach all necessary documents. 3. Pay the application fee. Pay the current application fee. 1. 4. Submit the application. Submit the application form and documents to the nearest South African embassy or consulate, or the Department of Home Affairs in South Africa. 5. Wait for processing. Wait for the application to be processed, which may take several months or longer. 6. Citizenship ceremony. If approved, attend a citizenship ceremony to take an oath of allegiance and receive a citizenship certificate. 7. Apply for a South African passport. After obtaining citizenship, apply for a South African passport. 1. Applying for citizenship by naturalization. If you do not qualify for citizenship by descent, you may need to apply through naturalization. Eligibility. You must be a permanent resident of South Africa. You must have been ordinarily resident in South Africa for a specified period, typically 5 years or longer. You must meet other requirements such as being of good character, speaking one of the official languages, and passing a citizenship test. 1, 2, 4. Application process. 1. Meet residency requirements. Ensure you have met the residency requirements. 2. Complete the application forms. Fill out the necessary forms. 3. Gather documents. Collect proof of residency, character, language proficiency, and other required documents. 4. Submit the application. Submit the application to the Department of Home Affairs. 5. Wait for processing. Wait for the application to be processed, which can take several months or years. 6. Citizenship ceremony. If approved, attend a citizenship ceremony to take an oath of allegiance and receive a citizenship certificate. 7. Apply for a South African passport. After obtaining citizenship, apply for a South African passport. 2, 3, 4. Reinstatement of citizenship. If you were a former South African citizen by birth or descent and have returned to South Africa permanently, you may apply to have your South African citizenship reinstated. For. Given the complexity and potential for individual variations, it is advisable to consult the official website of the Department of Home Affairs or seek advice from a qualified immigration attorney to ensure the most accurate and up-to-date information.